Today's goal is to provide a step-by-step guide for the setup of the Wi-Fi dongle in the Proflame Fireplace control system, along with the installation of the Proflame Connect app, which is available on Google Play or the Apple Store. The Wi-Fi dongle provides the connection between your smart device, phone, tablet, or home assistant voice command, and your fireplace. The first step is to be sure that the Wi-Fi dongle is plugged into the IFC board on the X0A connector. And then the system power is on. The Wi-Fi dongle has two LEDs that provide status information. After applying power, the Wi-Fi dongle will have constant output on the red and green LED. This means the Wi-Fi dongle is waiting to become the access point between the app in your smart device and the router in your home. To start the connection process, push the app logo button and the Proflame Connect app will open. Push the menu button on the upper left corner of the screen. This will open the Connect box. Press the Configure Fireplace button. This opens the Fireplace configuration page. You will see it searching for available fireplaces to connect to. There will appear a message that your fireplace is ready to be configured. Press the next button to proceed. A request to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network will appear. Enter the password and press the next button. A request to name your fireplace will appear. Enter the name that you want your fireplace to be called and press the next button. A page will open that allows connection to a voice assistant system. This process will be presented in an additional video. To move forward without connection to a voice assistant system, leave the entry blank and press the next button. The red and green LEDs will blink until the configuration is complete. And then the Wi-Fi dongle will display a solid green LED while the red will be off. This completes the connection of your fireplace to the Proflame Connect app.